What's going on, guys? Charles here. Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to talk about driving free traffic to your Clickbank affiliate links. Now, when it comes to free traffic, you know that it's going to take some time. It's not easy. It requires some serious work actually to drive good traffic, good free traffic at least, to your affiliate links. But what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to share a couple of strategies that are quick enough for you to start today and effective enough to get you Clickbank sales. All right, guys, so these are strategies that are used by a lot of people, but so remember that you need to actually do this, spend like maybe 5 minutes on these strategies every single day to make it work. All right, guys, so before we go to my computer and talk about these strategies, make sure you subscribe. If you're not a subscriber, I really appreciate it. I'm making videos every single day, Monday through Friday, so definitely subscribe to get awesome videos every single day if you want to just improve your affiliate marketing skills. All right, guys, so if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe, and if you're a subscriber, awesome to have you here. So let's go to my computer and let's talk about these awesome free traffic strategies that you can use to get affiliate sales on Clickbank or really any other affiliate network. So the first strategy I'm going to talk about is actually a YouTube strategy, but this one is actually quite simple because to implement it, you just need a simple tool, and you can just obviously get a YouTube account. It's easy, and just get it started. So here's how it works. So first, you need a tool called canva.com. So I've mentioned this multiple times across my channel, and it's something you can get for free. All right, so just make an account in there free, and then what you want to do is you just want to search for YouTube videos, or video actually, not YouTube video, just video in general. Okay, so you can create a video like this. Now they actually have a lot of slides and content, stuff like that. If you want to get really fancy with this, you can actually get a pro account, which is $12. That's what I have, and they're gonna give you more tools and more stuff, so you can create videos easily and just publish them on YouTube. So this is an example of a video I've made, and take a look, guys. This was actually published a bit recently, and haven't really started driving traffic and optimizing this, but as you see, it's quite simple and it works pretty well. So guys, let me actually take you through the process of making a video here. It's very easy, but I just want you to see it. So let's see, for example, let's just click this one, and you can change all this stuff. You can change the templates, you can change really anything here. So as you see, we got the slides down below, and then you can just edit the content, edit the video. This is how it works. And you can, for example, go here. Let's see, where's it? There you go. So here, and just maybe grab like a video and drag it right here, and there you go. So now we got a different video here. So you can edit all this content, all these, and you can move them around, stuff like that, and you can make your videos. And again, this is the final video is going to be basically this slide, and then final video, you just click this and download it. All right, guys, so that's pretty simple, and you can upload it to YouTube with your affiliate link in the description, obviously. And again, one of the things that this is actually I haven't done, this was actually a demonstration back then for our action members. But one of the things you can do is you gotta use a very good description. So make sure you have good keywords in the title, good description, all that stuff. So it's very important. So what you want to do is you want to make sure on YouTube you want to search for the keywords and see what kind of content you get. For example, if I want to sell a weight loss product, I'm going to search YouTube and then look at the content, like titles I see on the side. Let me actually explain that. Let me show you. So lose weight, for example, right? And then I'm going to, let's say, click on the top video. Okay, now one of the things I'm going to do is I'm going to look at that. This is very important, guys. This is something that no one talks about. Everyone talks about like these keywords that you can get up here on YouTube, but you want to pay attention to this videos on the side, because these videos are basically the videos that people click on. That's why they're being suggested to you, because these are stuff that people are interested in clicking on. So you can learn a lot from them. You can learn about their, like, from their the thumbnail, like the video thumbnail itself, the headline, all that stuff. So you can learn a lot of good stuff from them. So make sure you use that. All right, guys, so that's the video strategy. Again, this takes a while, and with this tool it's quite easy to make make videos. You know, you can spend 5 minutes a day and make a video quickly and put it on YouTube with a good description, good headline, and good thumbnail. You can actually make a thumbnail here as well if you actually search for it. YouTube, there you go. And if you search, there you go, YouTube thumbnail. You can actually make a thumbnail here as well, and everything's basically right here. Alright guys, so that's the first strategy. You know, it takes a while, maybe like, you know, a couple of days to get some traction on YouTube, on your YouTube channel, but eventually you will pick some traffic up there. Alright, so that's that. And then we're going to talk about the next one, which is Twitter. Now, this one is actually a bit different, but it follows the same principle. So the video you make here, okay, can be used in a lot of different places, guys. Okay, a lot of different places. One of them is actually Twitter, because Twitter is actually growing. Twitter video is growing. I've talked about this before. It's actually very fascinating, and videos on Twitter generally get a lot more impressions and views, so it's very cool and you should be using it. So here's how I use it. So you obviously want to create an account for yourself, you know, on Twitter, and separate account. First of all, you want to start with just normal tweets and, you know, build your account history. That's very important. You don't want to start posting links, because that's going to get you banned immediately. Twitter is fighting with, again, Twitter is fighting spam very hardly, so they will actually find you and ban you. So make sure you build your account a bit, you know, maybe tweet a couple of times a day. Don't post any links, maybe use an image here and there, and then eventually when you build your account and give it some history, maybe follow a couple of people, ask them to follow you back, stuff like that. And then what you want to do is you want to go for, well, you have your video, right, but you want to go to Medium. Now Medium, if you're not familiar with this, Medium is actually a article website where you can publish your opinions, articles. It's a fascinating website. It's so good that I have a membership with them. It's a free site, you know, you can join for free. You don't have to pay anything, but I have a membership with them because I actually read their stuff. There's a lot of interesting things here. Anyway, back on track. We're actually we're gonna use this to publish articles. Okay, so we're gonna publish articles. You can go to your account and you can create a new story, and then you want to write something nice about the product you're promoting. For example, one of the things I've wrote in here, let's see, for example, this one, right? So this was a while ago, by the way, this is not new. So you just publish a nice article, you know, help people out, write something nice. This is the part that takes time, you know, and then you post your link down there, you know, like you have a couple of links here and there, and send people to an affiliate link. Again, can be Clickbank, can be anything. So now what you want to do is you want to take this article that you just finished on Medium, and you want to post it on Twitter with your video that you just created in Canva. Okay, so again, guys, you want to post a video on Twitter with a nice description and a link to your Medium article. So again, the idea here is to send people to Medium instead of directly to your affiliate link, because if you want to send people directly to an affiliate link, you're gonna most likely get banned on Twitter. Okay, so that's very important to remember. So yeah, so that's how it works. You know, Twitter is very effective. Now the thing is, usually if you just post something on Twitter, it doesn't get that much traction, but when you have a video, it helps you to get, you know, more traction, and also you have a link to a Medium article, which immediately gives you more credibility. And then you gotta use some hashtags, not too much like this one. I didn't like this one, but a bit of hashtags here and there to help you just, you know, get some more traction here. So that's that. And then, you know, it's pretty effective. You know, this works very well. Again, one of those things, you just have to spend some time. And the thing is that because you're already making videos on Canva for YouTube, you might as well do this on Twitter as well, right? So that's the Twitter strategy. Now, next one is question and answer websites. Now, this is another one that I've been talking about a lot. Especially, this is something we talk about a lot inside Gold Masterclass, because there's a whole strategy into this. In Gold Masterclass, by the way, that's our affiliate marketing training. We have traffic strategies, paid and free strategies, and one of those very effective free strategies, not just any free strategy, but one of those strategies that we talk about in detail is medium question and answer sites. So question and answer sites are very, very effective, and I'm telling you why. So these actually are places where people are looking for stuff, right? So when people are looking for stuff, they're more likely to click stuff. It's like search engine, right? Now but the thing is that Quora has been very effective against fighting spam. So you don't want to post stupid things, and you don't want to post useless content in general. So let's say you want to promote weight loss, all right? So you just want to search for the weight loss area, okay? So there are categories and stuff like that. And what you want to do is you want to find someone who's asking a question and answer them in detail. That's very important, guys, okay? This is another thing when it comes to free traffic. You got to spend time, okay? That's just a part of it. You gotta spend some time, and you gotta work on this stuff. So Quora, the good thing with Quora is that it can get you clicks and sales almost immediately if that's a big if you are spending enough time to write good answers. That's very important. I see they get a ton of impressions and potentially a ton of clicks. All right, guys, so that's that. Just keep that in mind. It's very, very effective if you do it right. Okay, so next one is Facebook. Now this is the last one I'm going to talk about, but this is something, again, one of those things that takes a bit of time, but if you do it right, can make you a significant amount of money. So what is this? So what you can do is you can actually create Facebook groups. All right, so take a look at this one. This is, for example, Adversity's Facebook group, but we have a bunch of other ones, like they promote different affiliate products. Those are actually mine because this is the company, but I just wanted to show you an example here. So what you do is you can create Facebook groups, all right? And then we can start growing them by posting valuable content. This is very important. You don't want to immediately post affiliate links or stuff like that. That's just going to turn a lot of people away, and they're not going to listen to you because it's obvious that you're trying to sell something. But what you can do is you can build an audience by just providing good content. Even I've seen some people, and this is something I do myself sometimes as well, but they post good videos, or they actually have a very long post and they provide pictures and information and stuff like that to that just help people right in that post. They don't have to click away or anything like that. Then you eventually, when you build an audience, you can start maybe posting some articles, links to other articles where you have affiliate links. Now the thing is, on Facebook, you definitely don't want to post a direct affiliate link, because that's most likely, especially on Clickbank links, that's most likely going to get you banned. What you want to do is you want to make sure that you post a link to an article. If you have your own blog, that's good, but since we're talking about completely free strategies, you can actually just go and write a nice article. Again, on Medium, this is where we use everything with everything. You can use the Medium article that you just published and post it on Facebook as well. And Facebook group is one thing. You can post it on Facebook pages. You can join other groups as well, and once in a while be active, provide good information, and then once in a while just put a link out there to your article, and that can be very helpful. All right, guys, so these are free strategies. Again, as I said, they take time, and this is something we talk about a lot inside Gold Masterclass, because the thing is, in Gold Masterclass, beside the fact that we talk about different strategies, we talk about different traffic strategies, not just promotion strategies. But the thing is, there are a lot more free strategies, but obviously I don't want to, it's going to be a long video if I want to share all of them with you. But we got free strategies, we got paid strategies, effective paid strategies inside Gold Masterclass. So that's another thing to see for yourself, guys. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys have value from it. If you did, make sure to like this video, and again, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Just one more thing, guys. As I mentioned, when it comes to free traffic, it takes time. But you remember, we shared some awesome quick strategies, but again, because it's free, it's going to take some time to drive a significant amount of traffic to see some serious sales. So keep that in mind. You gotta be you gotta continuously work on this one to actually make it happen. And guys, as I mentioned, if you want to learn more, about this stuff, you should definitely check out the link in the description. That's going to take you to the Gold Masterclass. The thing is, when it comes to selling affiliate products, really any network, not just Clickbank, there isn't just one strategy, because a lot of people say there's just a single strategy, or you can use my formula to make money. Not really. You know, I've been doing this for almost 8 years, and I can tell you, each product has its own different strategy. So keep that in mind. You know, it's not that easy. Each product has a different strategy, and you gotta build that funnel and strategy based on the product, based on the sales video, based on the niche, all that stuff. So it's very important to know that stuff, and you're gonna learn all of that inside Gold Masterclass. So I'm gonna leave a link to that in the description. Check it out if you want. Gold Masterclass is gonna teach you all these strategies in detail. I'm going to actually build a lot of them in front of you, so you see it all in action. So it's like step by step. Also, there's going to be dedicated coaching. So if you have any questions, you can call your coach and contact your coach, email them, call them, however you want to do it, and they will get back to you and help you out very quickly. You know, so you don't have to go out and Google stuff. So why would you do that? And also, we have a very amazing platform where you can earn high ticket sales if that's what you want to use it for. We have a high ticket platform where you can earn commissions up to 4,000. Again, that's just something that isn't included, so you can actually use that platform. So there's a lot of awesome stuff. You should definitely check it out. There are weekly updates and stuff like that, so you should definitely check it out. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. One more time, if you're not a subscriber, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video tomorrow.